Hey, what's up? I'm Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious classic margarita. While margarita mixes are very convenient, they're often full of high fructose corn syrup and a lot of colors and flavors that don't belong in your margarita. So I'm going to show you a top shelf way to make this drink with just fresh limes, some good tequila, and some good orange liqueur, and that's all you need. I'm using my G2S cocktail shaker set, and all you need today is the cocktail shaker, a jigger, and a citrus reamer. I'm gonna start with juicing my limes, and I'm gonna use my citrus reamer because it really helps to get all the juice out of the lime. Now I'm just gonna use the lime to go around the rim to get it wet, and then I'm gonna dip it into kosher salt, or you could use sea salt. So kosher salt or sea salt. And next I'm gonna get some ice. So we need 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and I'm using Cointreau because it has a really nice, clean orange flavor. You could use Grand Marnier, but it's sweeter and it's heavier, or you could use a triple sec, but really Cointreau is best. And I need 1 ounce. So the star of this drink is the tequila. And we're using Blanco, so you definitely want to use one that says 100% agave on the label, because if it isn't 100% agave, it's not going to taste very good. So I'm using Santo, which is a really nice tequila, and this is 100% agave azul. And people are probably dying that I'm using this in a margarita, but I'm only using very simple ingredients to enhance the tequila flavor. And lastly, 1 ounce of lime juice. All right, so I'm gonna put the lid on securely and give that a good shake. And then I'm gonna strain it into the glass. And then garnish it with some lime. Isn't that beautiful? That is so delicious. I picked this recipe up from Cointreau quite a while ago, and I've served this to many people and everybody loves it. This is the way that a margarita should be. I'll never use a pre-mixed margarita again. And the lime and the Cointreau, they just perfectly complement the tequila here. This is just so good. So for my returning viewers, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. That helps to build this channel so we can keep bringing you great recipes. Cheers.